Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a character that belongs to the world of fantasy television. He is a well-known character from the popular series Game of Thrones. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Grand Maester Pycelle, Grand Maester Pycelle, Grand Maester Pycelle. Grand Maester Pycelle is known for his role as a wise but politically manipulative advisor to the royal court. His character often finds himself at the center of intrigue and strategy in the series. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Grand Maester Pycelle, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.